Okay. I'm in my mom's bathroom. Did y'all see that ring light hit my head? It said blink. Okay, anyway, welcome back to my video. Today, I'm going to be doing a wig install. Y'all gonna see me put this wig on. And this is not a tutorial because I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just going with it, okay? I love freaking wigs, so I have good hair, trust me. I love my natural hair too, but sometimes, you know, a girl, a bee get bored, okay? A bee get bored. Child. Anyway, so this is the wig. This is from Melanie. I'm sorry, y'all. Lids. Stay ashy. This is the wig from Melanie. I think it's Melanie or Melanie. I don't remember because, yeah, that light lost some memory already. This is the wig. It's a HD lace. Her name is Erica. This is what it's giving. And she bleached the knots for me. Like, right? She bleached them? Yeah, she bleached the knots for me. I love that because your girl don't know how to do all that yet. One day, y'all, one day. Yeah, she bleached it, she plucked it for me, and all I have to do is just create my own baby hairs. It's 14 inches. I didn't get it long. Look at that. Don't laugh at me. I used to get my wigs from Amazon. I know some of y'all did too, so don't. Please don't come for me because I will come for you back. Don't test me.
Boy, if you don't get...
So, the way... So, yeah, we can just get into it right now. So... Wait till Barry come in here. He gonna be like, Nay, what the? I'm like, yo. This is my new hair. Like, this is the wig I was talking about. This is the wig I was waiting for. Like, this is the wig I was waiting for. Bird!
What?
Come here. You want to see my new wig?
No.
Look, come here.
Give me a second. I'm doing something, Nate. Give me a second.
All right. Wig. It's my new wig. Oh, I gotta hide it. Oh, God. Okay. Like, this is my new wig, bro. Like, this is my new wig. You like it? Y'all, don't judge. Look at my... Look. I know. I don't know how to do hair, y'all. I really don't. Like, I really be trying. Like, whoever my friends... Y'all not my friends for real, because y'all did not tell me that I was doing my wigs like that. That was terrible. That was Let me put... This is terrible. Like... Who said that was okay? I thought I was cute. I thought I was really cute. Like, I really thought I was cute. And I looked back at the picture, I was like... Oh, here you go. Back.
Yes, Nay. I got Steve with me, so...
Nay, I don't want to see that.
I hope you're ready to show Steve your wig, too.
I want to see it.
Is that the wig?
Yeah.
No, hell no. Hell no. That better not be your wig. Take that shit off.
That's
No,
the
don't even,
That looks like
don't lie.
Fox.
No, stop this shit. You better not be recording this. Turn that shit off. Nay, where is your shit at?
Right here.
Oh, I was about to say, that ain't cool. All right, that's better.
Yeah, I'm about to cut
You
that.
got so good coffee yelled at me.
I'm playing with y'all. I'm playing. Like my hair?
I like that.
That HD lace. Wanna say hi? This is my sister.
I'm tired. Hi guys. This is good lighting. This is really good lighting. I
That's a really good lace.
I was in my room trying to sleep. Have a game tomorrow.
These are the jeans that Mama said earlier too.
So I'm so excited. We won our last game, so I'm hoping we're gonna win again.
I don't like those. You like my outfit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great grandma didn't like. She was the pants. She was like, ew.
Bell bottoms.
I know.
They're actually in trend.
Exactly.
Bye guys.
Thank you. All right, I guess I'll go home.
Okay, so I'm about to finish this and then I'm gonna cut my lace and we'll be done. Okay, I had to unplug the ring light because my phone hit the charge.
Come back. Dang.
Make sure they get in the video.
Oh my god, she keeps moving, guys.
Okay, so we're about to
She's about to. Hot breath needs to go.
Oh, not you calling me hot breath, babes. Okay, one thing I do need to work on for sure is my edges. That's one thing I need to work on for sure. One thing about me. But yeah, that's my hair. Y'all like it? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. And I'ma see y'all in the next one. It's supposed to be a heart. Because you're supposed to